गिबियावनो नोंथांमोनखौ आंनि माय बड' गाइड इउटुब चेनेलाव फिन खनसेबाव बरायनाय जाबाय। दिनैहाय बेयो जोबथा भिडिअ एबा जोबथा क्लास। बेयाव आङो गाबोननि एग्जामाव फैथावना 1 मार्कनि थाखाय माखासे पेडागजिनि फादार्सफोर बिफाफोरखौ बेयाव होनाय जादों। नोंथांमोना बेखौ जुदि गोसोआव लाजोबोब्ला आसा खालामो बेनिफ्राय बबेबा मोनसेया फैब्ला नोंथाङा हागोन 1 मार्क मोनगोन। बेनिखायनो नोंथाङा बे भिडिअखौ आनजादाव थांनायनि सिगां खनसे नायलांथा। अब्ला फैदो जोङो भिडिअखौ जागायनोसै। जा गिबियावनो गासिबो आनजाद होगिरिनिसिम आंनि गोसो गोरबोनिफ्राय एबा माय बड' इउटुब गाइड चेनेलनिफ्राय बेस्ट अफ लाक फर दा एग्जाम जासिनाय जाबाय। दानिया फैदो जोङो माखासे इम्परटेन्ट कुइसनखौ फारि फारि नायलांसै। एक नम्बर कुइसनाव दङ 1 नम्बर कुइसन इज दैट हु इज द फादार अफ साइकोलॉजी। दा बे अपसननिफ्राय जोंना कारेक्ट एन्सार जागोन बेयो अपसन नम्बर सी विलियम हुन इज द फादार अफ साइकोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट कुइसन हु इज द फादार अफ एडुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी। द करेक्ट एन्सार इज option number A, Edward Lee Thorndike. Next question, 3 number question is that who is the father of modern educational psychology? Who is the father of modern educational psychology? Correct answer is option number B, Pestology. The next question, who is the father of child psychology? The answer is option number C, Jean Piaget. Next question, number 5, who is the father of experimental psychology? Answer option number C, William Hunt. Next question, number 6 number question, who is the father of American psychology? Option A, William James. Option B, Eric Edison. Option C, William Wundt. Option D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is option number A, William James. William James is the father of American psychology. Next question, number 7 question, who is the father of modern psychology? Option A, Edward Lee Thorndike. B, William James. C, William Wundt. D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is option number B, William Wundt. Question number 8, who is the father of functionalism? Option A, Edward Lee Thorndike. B, Eric Edison. C, William James. D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is William James. Option number C is the correct answer. Now the next question is number 9 question, who is the father of psychoanalysis? Who is the father of psychoanalysis? Number A, Edward Lee Thorndike. B, Eric Edison. C, Thorndike. D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is option number D, Sigmund Freud is the father of psychoanalysis. The next question is number 10 question, who is the father of behaviorism? The correct answer is option number C, J.B. Watson. J.B. Watson is called the father of behaviorism. The next question, question number 11. Option number A, 1879. Option B, 1869. Option B, 1859. And D, 1849. The correct answer is option A, 1879. Next question, 12 number question, who said education is the creations of a healthy mind in a healthy body? Answer option A, Aristotle. B, Socrates. C, Plato. Option number D, William James. The correct answer is option number A, Aristotle. Aristotle is the correct answer of this question. Now next question is question number 13, who said education is the process by which the child's innate power are manifested outside? Option C is the correct answer. Probel. Answer option number question number 14. Play and drama method was given by. Play and drama method was given by whom? Option number A, Marino. Option B, Socrates. Option C, Probel. Option D, Rudolf Blocky. The correct answer is option number A, Moreno. Moreno give the play and drama method. Answer option number question number 15. Play way method was given by option A, Thorndike. B, Pavlov. C, Henry A. Caldwell Cook. D, Rudolf Golke. The correct answer is option number C, Henry Caldwell Cook is the correct answer of this question. The next question is 16 number question. Education psychology is science of education. This definition was suggested by whom? Phil, Pavlov, Henry Caldwell Cook, Rudolf Golke. The correct answer is option number A, Phil. Phil suggested that education psychology is science of education. The next question, number 17. The word personality has been derived from the Latin word. Answer, the word personality has been derived from the Latin word. Option number B, persona. Persona is the correct answer of this question. Number 18 question. Personality develop most rapidly during option A, adolescence. Option B, infancy. Option C, early childhood. Option D, none of this. The correct answer of this question is option C, early childhood. The next question, 19 number question. A project method introduced by option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is William Head Kilpatrick. William Head Kilpatrick introduced the project method. Next question. Question number 20. Kindergarten method introduced by. Kindergarten method introduced by whom? Option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option D, Probel. Next question, 21 number question. Montessori method introduced by. Montessori method introduced by whom? Option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option number C, Maria Montessori. Maria Montessori introduced Montessori method. Next question, that is the last question of this video. Dalton method introduced by. Dalton method introduced by option number B, Miss Helen Patrick. Option number B, Miss Helen Patrick introduced the Dalton method. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe please, and best of luck for the exam. Thanks.